Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Osmanthus Alley was originally the name of a noodle shop on the corner of a small alley in Nanchuang, Miaoli County. In recent years, the alley has developed into a tourist hotspot. Nanchuang is the king of Osmanthus, and the flour is used in many products, most notably Osmanthus jelly, a sweet aromatic sauce resembling honey. Taking a walk into today's Osmanthus Alley, it's lined on both sides by noodle shops hawking a wide variety of noodle dishes and soups. These handmade noodles come from the same local supplier, which boasts that its noodles stay firm and tasty, no matter how long they're cooked.
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt.Hello,
大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Wow, this month you're going to learn a lot about Miaoli County because every episode we talk about Miaoli. And that's somewhere that Leo is very familiar with. He goes back quite often. 下次应该跟你一起去。
哦，那没问题，
没问题哈。好，
我还可以带你去买电路。
买什么电路？
不是电路啦，买伴手礼啦。干嘛买电路？
电路 that actually means like a local gift, right? 伴手礼 ，OK？ 怎么说？
电路，
电路 ，OK？ 那今天要介绍什么电路给大家好了？
今天啊，来到南庄有一个地方一定要去，那个叫做桂花巷。
桂花巷常常听过呢，都一直觉得说桂花巷是很多桂花的一条巷子，是这样子吗？
那当然啦，所以那边有一个电路一定要买回去的，就是
桂花。
桂花酿龟法酿。
龟法酿 ，OK, it can be used for tea, hot tea, even for a cold beverage with ice. Sounds very sweet and tasty and delicious. But some people may use it for other food preparation as well. 那除了桂花酿，还有什么东西也可以带走？
我记得那边有一个面还蛮有名的，蛮好吃的。
Some noodles.
南庄面。
就是南庄面。
对。
Okay, so aside from the jelly, you can also get some noodles. Nanzhuang noodles, also very well known. I'm sure a lot of restaurants carry it. And you can ask around for that, okay? 也就是我们的南庄面。
南庄面。
南庄面。All right, let's review these terms. 伴手礼, a local gift.
电路。
电路. There is the osmanthus, 桂花。
龟法。
龟法。然后如果是酿，就变成是
龟法酿。
龟法酿 that's the jelly for the osmanthus. And then the Nanzhuang noodles.
南庄面。
南庄面听起来呢可以吃饱饱，然后又可以喝好喝的。
对呀，
值得一游。That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.